Today I will be making avocado toast with strawberries and scrambled eggs. So first, you put our bread in the toaster. We put it at 2, and then we put it in. Next, what we do is we crack our eggs. If you have any extra shell in your eggs, it's easier to get it out with its shell. So keep it so you can get the shell out if you have any shell in it. And then we put our milk in. And then we put our salt and pepper in. And then once I'm done doing this, I will mix up our eggs. And once I'm done doing this, you are going to turn on your oven to minimal. And then once you are done doing that, we're going to grab 2 strawberries from our bowl, and we're going to cut the strawberry into little slices. Then once we're done, we put our knife facing away from us, and we get our bread. And then we put our strawberries on our plate. And then we put our eggs in the bowl. Don't forget to put the oil in. Don't use too much oil, or else you'll have really, really greasy eggs, and you don't want to have greasy eggs because it makes them taste really bad. And then once we're done putting the oil in, we're going to put our eggs in. And you have to just move our eggs around with a fork, spoon, or any utensil you have in your kitchen until you get nice, fluffy white eggs. White, yellow, or orange eggs. While this is cooking, we're going to get our guac and a knife, or a butter knife, and we're going to put our guac on our toast. And then we are going to go back to our eggs and then just move around. And once your oven reaches the temperature, you'll start getting these white chunks of egg in the pot. And you just keep on mixing until they're all dry and you want to make sure that all of your egg is in the middle so it cooks. And once you get it to be a little watery, you can flip it, or you can just keep on moving it around. And then once it starts to look like this, you can turn it a little bit lower so it doesn't turn brown or black. And then when you're done, you turn it off and you put it on your plate. And then you eat. It tastes really good. Thank you for watching. I hope you use this recipe a lot.